So let's begin. First of all, we will open our browser. Just type it here, BlueJ download. Or you can simply type BlueJ. I will type BlueJ download and press enter. On the very first link, you just have to open the very first link. And now drop it down, and you can see the Windows option, Windows icon, and just click on it, and your download will start. But I already have downloaded, so I won't download it again. So I will just cancel it. And now we have moved in the folder. In this folder we have downloaded. So here we have BlueJ downloaded, and it looks something like this. So you just have to double click on it, and now just press on next, and here to choose for what users you are going to install BlueJ. I will install it for all users. Just click on next, and just leaving it default. I will click on next, and here we have the installation folder, but I will leave it default. Just click on next, and I will install it. It's being installed. We just have to press on yes, and now it will install. It will take some time. So now we have successfully installed BlueJ setup. We will close it, and here on the desktop you can see something like penguin. That is BlueJ. Just double click on it, and our BlueJ is opening right now. You just have to create new project, and we will name anything to the project. I will name it Netsoft. And just now we have to do is create a new class. So we will create it. I will name it hello. We will just press enter, and now we will double click on the hello option. Just double click on it, and our editor will open. And here is a large number of codes, but we don't need any of them. We just need our main function and our public class, main class. So we'll just remove it all, and now we'll type our main function. So let's make it our main function. We have here static void main. Remember, in BlueJ, you either write or not write string strg or args. That doesn't matter. It is very common if we don't write it. So now we write our first code. That is what system dot out dot println, and here is our output which we have to display. We'll type it here, hello world, and now we'll just save it and compile it. We have compiled it successfully, and now we have to just drop it down and right click on it and click on void main. We just click here, and now we have hello world printed over here. We can do it again. We have hello world printed over here. Here you can see in the options, if your terminal is not being clear time to time and it's displaying the last output, you can just click on the clear screen as method call. I have ticked it already, so output is not coming like that. Our terminal is clean. So this was our video, and in next video we will install IntelliJ IDE and learn to program in Java. Thank you.